I know people are looking for summer jobs, especially for teenagers. So, in this video, I'm going to be talking about 10 summer jobs for teenagers. So, I have a teenage cousin, and he wanted to know exactly, hey, do you know anything, any gigs or whatsoever that I can do during the summertime? So, I said, why not create a video so that way I could share with anybody who's out there that is looking for a summer job, especially for a teen. So, if you know a teen, that would like to have a summer job and you would like to refer them to this video, please do so. So my name is Andre, and on this channel I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, just different ways of I could share ideas with you so you can go out there and you can crush it instantly. So make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. If you're brand new, let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. Thanks for watching this video and consistently supporting this YouTube channel. So let's dive into things right away. And the first summer job that I'm going to be talking about is babysitter. And babysitter, if you know anyone with kids, that means you can babysit. So there's friends and there's family. You've seen the photo, that's my wife and I, and that's my baby, Jackson. Last summer, we had a babysitter. She was still in high school, and we were doing trips. We were doing a couple different events, and we had to hire someone to take care of Jackson. So for some babysitters, you can get anywhere like from $15 per hour, which is not a bad rate, for a summer job. So you can ask any parent. You can find like good babysitters. So the good thing, if you do a great job of taking care of their kids, that means that you can have like a long relationship. You can make great incomes. And the good thing is that you can set your own hours and you can work all summer if you want. Now, last year we had someone and we paid him $20. So if you're getting $15 or even $10 per hour doing babysitting, that is perfect. The next gig that you can do, or the next summer job you can do, is a camp counselor. And if you like being outdoors, if you like going camping, you going hiking, playing sports, then working as like a camp counselor, that is like the perfect job for you. So the good thing is that you don't mind watching over kids. You're going to have like a group of kids. You're going to be walking around. And parents like to bring their kids to campgrounds. So especially in the summer, if you're designated in like all over the country, you could do activities. So you could do like, you can do sporting events with them. You can go and play games with them. And if you get like a CPR certification, that will also help you as well. I know counselors that are making like $23,000 per year. So that is not bad if you want to be a camp counselor. You can make some good money. I know during the summer, for a few short months, you can make a ton of money. So that is one job that you could do, is to become a camp counselor. The next thing you could do, you could start cleaning pools. It's a summer, people just opening their pools and they want to go out and they want to enjoy it. Now, most people, they don't have the time to take out all the leaves and clean it and make it look good. So whether you're working for yourself or you're working for a pool company, it is great to make some money. You're going to be outside. You can, being by the poolside is not a tough job at all because everyone needs to clean their pool. It's a summertime. People want to go out, especially now. You could just start going out and start to reach out to people who have jobs and see, not jobs, but have pools, and you could get busy throughout the summer. So there's condos that have swimming pool. There's people that have personal pools, and you can just go out there and try to clean them. All right. So the next career that I'm going to be talking about, or jobs, is a career-oriented internship. And what is a career internship? If you're going to, most people don't know exactly what they're going to do or what they're going to pursue when they leave school or when they finish college or whatever it is. So having a summer job, that would be like the perfect opportunity to test the type of jobs that you want. So you could test this job. If you like it, you can try it next year. If you don't like it, you switch and you try a different job. So the more experience that you have, it's going to build experience. It's going to build your credibility. And do keep in mind that with internships, you don't make a lot of money. It's not a lot of money you're going to make because it's internships. You're going to get not paid as often, but it's good for experience. Having the experience is indeed priceless. So you build in your resume, you build in your rapport, and you're gonna have good recommendation once you go out into the workforce. So career-oriented internship is always a good one. The next one that you could do, you could be a tutor. So summer is normally spent on vacation. Many students that like to take like summer breaks, continue like to, enhance their education and all that type of stuff. So you could put that together, right? Like a bulletin board and all that type of stuff. And tutors, you could change that up and you can get, let's say, like $15 an hour. So $15 an hour just to do that. And people charge up to $50 an hour. So if you are a professional, you could get $15 an hour just to do that part-time. Next up, you could do some job as a movie, work at the movies, movie employees. That right there is huge. It's the summer. Everybody is going out to the movies. New movies are coming out. New movies are being released. And people like to do, you want to serve popcorns, you want to take tickets, you want to usher ballrooms. These are some of the biggest perks. And the good thing is you can even watch free movies. That's the biggest perk. So you can expect to get like minimum wage for this, for your working hours. I know like working in the movie theaters, but that is a good, part-time summer job that you can do, is working at the movies. The next job that you can land, you could be a caddy. So being a caddy, you work at the golf course, you get great experience just by being there. You don't have to be a professional caddy. You could just go there while you're learning how it's done, because everything takes time in the beginning. Maybe this summer you can learn more. Next year you can develop a skill, and over time you're gonna be working with a ton of people, and you could be a golf course caddy. You can get good tips. You probably won't make a lot of money, but the tips are incredible. Some people, especially like golfers, some of them have good money. Some of these people are like rich retired people, or they're people who own large companies. And guess what? They're looking for people like you who say, hey, is there any way that you can be a caddy and you can get good tip? And if you're nice, you're being kind, you get them what they need, trust me, they could give you some good money for doing that. So that was number 8. Coming in at number 9, you could be how should I put this? A mobile automobile dealer, meaning a detailer, sorry. So you could be a detailer, you could wash cars, you could clean their insides. And if you like to do these things, this is not going to be like a ton of money, but you could still make good jobs. So whether you want to do it for yourself or you want to do it with a company, you could do it even from your home as well. You could set it up. You could go to different neighbors and say, hey, let me wash your car, 10, 15 bucks. Clean it up, get a vacuum. If you don't have a vacuum, I'm sure you could probably borrow your parents. If they don't have a vacuum, well, you could get a brush. You can get one of those things, and you brush it nice and clean. Once you get the dirt out, you can get a rag. You could clean the inside. You could clean the seats with a rag, clean it out, because summer times it's a dry time. It's not a lot of rain. However, people's cars are filthy throughout the winter time. So summertime, they're looking to get their car clean and make it look fresh. So that's what you could do, is you could land a car detail and clean cars just like that. The next thing you could do is, coming up at number 9, is you could be a lifeguard. So lifeguards are incredible. It is a difficult job day in and day out, because you have to watch a lot of kids, especially by the swimming pool, by the ocean. There's so many different things. And if you like being on the outside, make sure you wear sunscreen, put some sunscreen lotion on. So while you can work for the Red Cross, and you have to get like standard CPR certification, you're gonna need that, of course, basic like water rescue. So you got to do that. You have to be a good swimmer. So if you can't swim, you can't be a lifeguard. So, and you got to have a very good attention span, because there's so many kids running around, and you just can't be distracted. You can't be on your phone taking selfies. This is a very risky job, but you can make money as well. The last one that I want to share with you is this one. you could be a mail deliverer. You could deliver mail all summer long, newspaper, go and see if you could. The only thing though, you're gonna have to get up really early because it's like 5 a.m., 6 a.m., early morning. You gotta get up, you gotta get the job done. And if you wanna get up early and work just before you even go to your summer classes, or if you have summer breaks, you could do that. You could receive like decent tips. So right before sunrise, you can make money. So I hope you enjoy this quick video that I've created for you. I just wanted to share that with you. That was 10 summer jobs that you could do as a teenager. Like, subscribe, become a part of the family. I hope this helps, and I hope you get a job this summer. My name is Andre. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.